Ever feel like you're missing out on the next big thing in AI while everyone's talking about the same few tools? There's a whole world of hidden gems that can seriously level up your life. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 mind-blowing AI tools that you probably haven't heard of yet. And they're going to change the way you work and create. Ready to get ahead of the curve? Hit that like button and let's dive in. Oh, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on secrets like these. Alright, kicking off our list at number 5 is a tool called Perplexity AI. Think of it as a search engine on steroids. While traditional search engines give you a list of links you have to sift through, Perplexity reads everything for you and gives you a direct, summarized answer with all its sources cited. Imagine you're researching a complex topic. Instead of opening 20 tabs, you just ask Perplexity a question, and it synthesizes information from multiple sources into a single, easy-to-read response. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who needs accurate answers fast without the hassle. It's like having a personal research assistant in your pocket. Coming in at number 4 is my new favorite for video creation, Opus Clip. If you create long-form content like podcasts or YouTube videos, this tool is a game-changer. You just upload your long video, and its AI analyzes the entire thing, identifies the most engaging and viral-worthy moments, and automatically turns them into short, shareable clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It even adds dynamic captions, reformats the video to a vertical aspect ratio, and gives each clip a virality score. It saves literally hours of editing work. For content creators, this is not just a time saver, it's a growth hack. Next up, at number 3, we have Gamma. Say goodbye to boring slideshows forever. Gamma is an AI presentation generator that creates beautiful, engaging, and interactive presentations, documents, or even web pages from a simple text prompt. You just type in what your presentation is about, and Gamma's AI handles the design, layout, and even finds relevant images and icons. The best part is that the output isn't a static PowerPoint file. It's a dynamic web page that you can embed with videos, GIFs, and other interactive elements. It's perfect for business pitches, school projects, or just making your ideas look stunning with minimal effort. Our runner-up at number 2 is a tool for all the audio creators out there, Adobe Podcast. Don't let the name fool you. It's for more than just podcasts. The star feature is called Enhanced Speech. You can record audio on your phone in a noisy room, upload it, and the AI will magically remove all the background noise and echo, making it sound like you recorded it in a professional studio. It's honestly like witchcraft. It's tested it with everything from traffic noise to a barking dog, and the results are consistently incredible. If you do voiceovers, record interviews, or just want your online meeting audio to be crystal clear, this tool is an absolute must-have, and for now, it's free. And finally, the number 1 AI tool you probably don't know about yet is Arc Browser. This isn't just an app, it's a complete reimagining of how we interact with the internet. Arc uses AI to fundamentally change the browsing experience. It has features like AI-powered link summaries so you know what a page is about before you even click it. It automatically archives old tabs to keep your workspace clean, and its Boosts feature lets you visually customize any website without writing a single line of code. You can change colors, remove annoying sections, and make the web truly your own. It's designed to make you more focused, organized, and productive online. It takes a little getting used to, but once you switch, you'll wonder how you ever used anything else. So there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools that are flying under the radar, but have the power to seriously boost your productivity and creativity. From research and video editing to presentations and web browsing, these tools are shaping the future. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified when I drop the next video. See you in the next one.